Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So we're gonna be doing a review from Juvia'S place. We're gonna be trying out their new bronzer and blush that she recently came out maybe like 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago. This is the product here. This is a bronzer and this is a blush. Now the blush, she came out with two blushes, volume 1 and volume 2. I got volume 1, and this is the bronzer. I think it's 5 bronzers, I think 5 or 6 of them, but I got dark. And I really do like the packaging. Now, I did this review yesterday, but something went wrong with my SD card and I had to do this all over again. So I used it already, but I definitely know how this works. And I'm gonna tell you my pros and cons about this product. Let me just show you guys the bronzer. The bronzer is really cool. I like the packaging. I like the fact that it's small. It could fit in a little purse if you just wanna touch up. Now, this is not like a hype of bronzer that you need to get, but you know, since I'm a reviewer, you know, I have to review it for you guys. But I do like these bronzers. This is what it is here. In the video that I did yesterday, I used the top one. This one is like really good for my skin tone, and I think darker skin tone could use this as well. Now, I didn't use this because it's a little too dark, and you guys see it's more on the red undertone. I still could use it if I want to, but we'll see. But let me just put that right here, like really pigmented, right? And the top one is my favorite. It's more, you know, my skin tone. So okay, right there. I really do like this for traveling. It's just like really cute. And I think this is Juvia'S place first bronzer collection. If I'm wrong, correct me down below. And also we have the blush. Now, I had high hopes for this blush. And like I told you guys, I did this video yesterday, so I have a little idea about this blush. Okay, so this is the shades here. Really pretty, right? Now, this is more on the burgundy side, and this is like a pink undertone when I tried it on. And I'm going to show you guys, don't look like this on my face at all. So I'm a little disappointed with this shade, but this is it. And when I tried it out yesterday, I compared it with Toby one, but it's definitely not Toby. You could see the pink undertone peeping out right there. Okay, let's try this one here. So you can see it's like more on the burgundy berry side. I would, you know, I'll say berry. It looks more like on the berry side. So this is it here. So I'm going to use the Juvia'S place foundation stick. I love this. Very hydrated. Great for dry skin. So I'm going to use this, and everything I'm going to put it in the description box for you guys. And then we're going to come back and then we're going to try out the bronzer and blush. Okay, because this is just repetitive stuff. You know, I do my face all the time on here and it's like the same thing. So, you know. Alright guys, so we're gonna try out the bronzer. Now I really do like these bronzers. They blend really good. It's not like, you know, you really need to get these if you already have other bronzers in your collection, because I feel like it works the same way. I just like Juvia'S product and I wanted to support the brand, so that's the reason why I got it, but you really don't need to get it if you don't want to. So we're gonna go in with this. It blends out really nice and you see how it's coming together. I didn't try the dark one because I feel like it's a little too red for me. I probably will use it like on vacation. But I really do like to bronze my face. That's like the favorite thing for me to do. It just like bring everything together, because when you put foundation on your face, it's just like your face just look really, really flat. So this like really helps to bring everything together. Like you see how it's blending out really nice. I like it. It's like really soft on the skin. So I'm just gonna like, you know, try to blend that out. It's just like really, really smooth, like any other bronzers. It's like nothing, you know. And one thing I like about Juvia'S Place, they, you know, she really catered for all skin tones. So if you want to get a bronzer from that collection, I'm sure you will find a shade that will, you know, complement your skin. So you see how well this thing blend out. It's like really, really pretty, just like bringing everything together. I always go over with a powder, and my favorite powder right now is from Fenty Beauty. This is a matte powder, but it works well with all skin type. I never had a problem with it since I got it, and I just really love it because it has really good coverage. Just want to point that out there. This is the powder that I'm talking about. Like, love it. Looks so good on my skin, so I'm just gonna go over with this. And the reason why I'm using this powder as well, the foundation that I use is a little dewy, and it's really hot in my room today because, you know, girl, it's summertime and I just want something to keep the foundation together. It's not gonna like separate or anything. Under the eyes, I use a foundation stick. I don't even think I told you guys the name. The name is Grenada. It's a little bit more lighter, so that's why I use it as a concealer. So this is how it looks with everything blend. I probably would have to go back again and blend certain areas, but I will do that after. But you see how everything looks. It looks really nice. The powder matched so well with the product. So now we're gonna go with the blush. I just want to show you guys what I'm talking about. So when I used this blush yesterday, I was really hyped about the one in the bottom, and I actually don't like how it looks on me. I think it's like more on a pink undertone. So yesterday I used this brush. This is from, I think this is from Wet n Wild. I don't even think they have these brushes anymore, and it came out a little on the pink side. I thought it would be close to Toby from the Sahara palette. Girl, no, but you see what I'm saying? It comes out a little like on the pink undertone. That's the vibes I'm getting from this, but I still do like it, but I thought it would have looked the same, as you guys could see. But it's really, really pigmented. Bring it all the way up here. I like blushes on my forehead, and I also like to put it on my nose just to give my nose a little color. So I usually go all around it. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I just did something really simple today, as always. I actually love both of the products that I used today. I am in love with the bronzer. I'm disappointed with this shade because I thought it would be, you know, the same shade that we're looking at. But the undertone is like pinkish, so you can't really tell if it's pink or not. You can't really see it, and it also has a mirror, so that's a plus. Now the bronzer is not like something that you need to run out to get, honestly, but I do like the bronzer. I like the fact there's two shades in the palette, one lighter and the other one is darker. So this is gonna be it for this video. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about both of these products. I would love to hear what you guys have to say. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and to my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for subscribing to this channel. I really appreciate you guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe at the end of the video if this is your first time here. So thank you guys so much. See you in my next video. Bye guys.